Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a video on going to Mombasa Diani. At this point we are in the it's on Uber but the Bolt app. So we are headed to Diani from the Mombasa terminus.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Yeah, welcome to my channel.
Mombasa.
That's a video of me just welcoming you in Mombasa. So guys, we took the Bolt car. We ended up paying 3,350, and at first it was supposed to be 1,480, which is very crazy guys, very crazy. Guys, I have a feeling the Uber driver alitugonga ama kitu kaa hiyo, but we are not sure. So you have to be careful when you're visiting a new area. Make sure you debate on the fare first, because you are very shocked. We had a budget and our budget was exceeded. So that's just like an advice for people who are traveling to Mombasa for the first time. Nalipa lazima ndo mwingie ndani kwa Ferry. Sasa mnalipanga how much? Oh, hiyo si mbaya. So tunaingoja ijae hiyo Ferry yenyewe, tunaingoja ijae ama Basi ukiangalia kila mtu lazima amevaa short. Rest. welcome back to my channel. We are at Prideinn. We've just arrived, guys. That's our room, but we are asking for a change of rooms because our TV is not working. So yeah. This side is the toilet. Then this is the shower, guys. Very clean, guys. It's so clean. Yeah, that's me, of course. Then walking. Study table. Akidezi tusiwache hiyo nini, like it will affect, it will haribie nini, like our vacation. Kwa digo kwetu kusahau cause tuko na limited funds. Tukikuwa tuna do. Acha aende nayo kwani? New room. So much better. Mimi nitalala huko ama huko utalala huko? Amazing. Asante. Barikiwe. Guys, this is our new room. That's our painting. New room. This is Daisy's, mine. That's the view, guys. We decided to change the room. These people are very flexible. Elevation set. This is our toilet, guys. It is our toilet. Then shower. Days wamekuria shower. Alafu umejua funny thing, ile ingine nimeona ni kubwa. Like shower. Iko na glass. Iko na glass. But anyway, mimi nataka hii in as much as ile ingine views no. Balcony area. That's the air conditioner.